Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and thank you so much for checking out this short video about some information that I think is going to bless your life immediately. What I took the liberty of doing today was doing a little bit of research for you, and the research we're going to be using today is going to be coming directly from PubMed.gov. PubMed.gov comprises more than 30 million citations for biomedical literature. Very, very powerful website, most powerful website of its kind. And it's a free resource supporting the search of retrieval of peer-reviewed biomedical and life sciences literature. So understand that this is going to be peer-reviewed third-party medical research. We're not doing Wikipedia for this one, guys. This is going to be real information, and you'll know it because it comes with that National Institute of Health.gov nomenclature right there. So let's get right into the meat and potatoes of it. The first article we're looking at today from, again, PubMed.gov is going to be the anti-aging effect of Nigella sativa. Now, here's what you need to know. Nigella sativa is just a fancy way of saying black seed oil. It's just black seed oil, but Nigella sativa, black seed oil. Same thing, one and the same. So with this particular article, when we look at the introduction, it says that aging involves progressive destructive changes in one or more organs, which over time leads to disease and death. Okay, that is a natural part of life, guys. Life and death and aging is part of life. But through its antioxidant and anti-apoptosis properties, black seed oil exhibited an anti-aging effect in a model of aging induced with degalactose. And aging agent actually is what that is. So the bottom line is, although aging is natural and is progressive destructive changes, black seed oil, okay, exhibited an anti-aging effect. Now, why are no doctors talking about this? I have no idea, guys, but we're going to keep going with the research right there. And so the next article we're going to check out is about cancer. And let me say this, guys, because there's a lot of going on. We know that cancer is one of the major threats of modern life. We know that. And I'm not a doctor, and I want to make sure that I don't tell you that this product can treat, cure, or prevent any disease. But I will tell you that I can point you in the direction of some third-party peer-reviewed medical research, okay? And you can make your own conclusions about what this product does or doesn't do. So this article is called The Anti-Cancer Activities. Okay, anti-cancer activities of Nigella sativa, again, black seed oil. And if we really want to get down into to really understand the course and scope of how powerful this product is, we can actually start looking right around here. And we'll see, let's do blood cancer. Okay, blood cancer. It was reported that TQ, thymoquinone, you're going to see that word a lot, thymoquinone, TQ, exhibits an anti-proliferative effect in human myeloblastic leukemia cells, okay? That is a big deal because thymoquinone, or TQ, is the active ingredient in black seed oil. Breast cancer. Water-based and alcohol-based extracts of Nigella sativa, or black seed oil, were found to be effective in inactivating breast cancer cells. Amazing. I mean, it's just amazing. Colon cancer, multiple articles from 2005, 2006, 2003, 2004 suggested that TQ, okay, thymoquinone, is proapoptotic against colon cancer cells, and the oil of Nigella sativa, again, all this stuff is just black seed oil. Black seed oil has the ability to inhibit colon carcinogenesis of rats in a post-initiation stage, and watch this, with no evident adverse side effects. Wow. Wow, okay? But it doesn't stop there. Pancreatic cancer. I lost an uncle from pancreatic cancer. And, back in 2009, it showed that TQ, thymoquinone, the major constituent of Nigella sativa, or black seed oil, induced apoptosis and inhibited proliferation in pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. Guys, black seed oil, right? Which is Nigella sativa, thymoquinone, all the same thing. Listen, it literally inhibited proliferation in pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. That is absolutely phenomenal. If you understand how dangerous pancreatic cancer, you get it. Hepatic cancer, lung cancer, skin cancer even. So we know that you can consume black seed oil, but also you can apply it topically. Topical application of black seed, Nigella sativa, inhibited two-stage initiation promotion of skin carcinogenesis in mice. Again, guys, this is skin cancer. All right, skin cancer, black seed oil is doing that too. And these are doctors, fibrosarcoma, renal cancer, good grief, prostate cancer, guys. See, look, TQ, thymoquinone from Nigella sativa, inhibited DNA synthesis, proliferation and viability of cancerous cells in the prostate, but not non-cancerous cells. I mean, guys, do you understand that black seed oil is literally, viability means life. So it inhibited the DNA synthesis, the binding, it inhibited the growth of the prostate cancer, but also it inhibited the life. It killed cancer cells, but it did not harm non-cancer cells. We'll do one more, but I think y'all are getting the point. Cervical cancer, guys. Extracts of black seed oil, again, effectively killed the cervical cancer cells. So Nigella sativa effectively killed the cervical cancer cells by inducing apoptosis. That's cell death. So basically, it kills cancer cells but does not harm regular cells. And this is a product that, quite frankly, everybody should be talking about, but nobody even knows about it. And we're just trying to spread the word. So then we go over here. Let's look at one more article, guys. This article is going to be a human trial. There have been tons of human trials, tons of animal trials. But again, this product is all natural, all organic, no side effects, doesn't hurt anybody. The efficacy, and this is also from PubMed.gov, another one. The efficacy of Nigella sativa on serum-free testosterone and metabolic disturbances in central obese male. Okay, here's the thing. Central is a fancy way of saying middle, and obese is a fancy way of saying fat. Male, of course, means men. This is about fat men, guys. This is about men with big stomachs, okay? And these fat bellies that are being talked about in this particular medical article can come from metabolic disturbance. That's a slowdown in metabolism or possibly low testosterone, which might be coming from age. But let's look at what black seed oil does to men who have big stomachs, basically. In the treatment group, complaints related to central obesity, that's middle and fat, so the fat midsection. Complaints related to the fat midsection disappear in the first week. Very significant reduction in body weight, waist circumference, and systolic blood pressure with an insignificant reduction in serum-free testosterone. So the bottom line is testosterone was not reduced anymore, even though these guys were aging, but their midsection, stomachs, body weight, and blood pressure was reduced. And it was absolutely amazing. So these particular articles, guys, there's so many there. And I can tell you, get with whoever sent you this video. They're going to send you websites look just like this. And the websites, you're going to be able to get black seed extract, okay? Full spectrum, 3,000 milligrams of thiamoquinone, and it does not contain CBD or THC. You can go ahead and get that product from whoever sent you this video. And the bottom line is, sure, you may be able to go to the gas station and find black seed oil for maybe $1 or $2 cheaper, but the bottom line is this: I can assure you it's not going to have 3,000 milligrams of thiamoquinone. In fact, they probably won't even list the thiamoquinone content on the bottle because it might not have any in there. So you may be buying black seed oil, but because it's cheap, it's inferior, it's not all natural or all organic like ours, you may be getting some inferior product with no thiamoquinone, a very low thiamoquinone, and you're not going to get the results that we just looked at and all that medical research. So get with the person who sent this article. Don't confuse Nigella sativa, that's black seed oil, with cannabis sativa. They're not the same. So this product has no THC, no CBD, safe for anybody. And remember, it has anti-aging effects, which are absolutely incredible. It has anti-cancer effects on several different types of cancer, guys. And it has the ability to keep your healthy weight in men, and there's some articles for women as well, but I don't want to take up too much time, but we could go on and on. There's over 600 medical research articles out there about this product, and I just covered 3 of them today. The rest would blow you away. So have a great day. Hope this video made a lot of sense for you. And if you want to get this product, super affordable, maybe 20 some bucks, get with the person who sent you this video and they can hook you up. Okay, talk to you soon. Y'all have a great day. I wish you the best health you can possibly have in 2020.